It's a terrifying thought, parasites nesting in your hair while you sleep. But what if your hair is actually one of a bed bug's worst nightmares? These pests are physically unequipped for a life among hair strands. They lack the specialized claws that lice use to grip and hang on. We will show you the anatomical and behavioral reasons why, and reveal where they actually hide. So, what is their body truly built for? It's not for climbing through a forest of hair. First, their bodies are flat and oval. This shape is perfect for squeezing into tight cracks and crevices. Second, they cannot fly or jump. Their only mode of transport is crawling, so a direct path is vital. Hair is a dense three-dimensional maze for an insect designed for flat surfaces. They simply get tangled. They are drawn to you by your breath and body heat, but this is a dinner bell, not an invitation to move in. Their entire anatomy points to a single conclusion. They are built for hiding in tight spaces, not living in hair. Anatomy is only half the story. Their behavior is even more revealing. So why might someone get a bite near their scalp? Bedbugs are nesting parasites. This means they prefer to live near their food source, not on it. Your scalp is a terrible nesting site. It's hot, constantly in motion, and exposed to light. 3 things they avoid. They are hit-and-run feeders. They feed for just 5 to 10 minutes, then immediately retreat to a safe hiding spot. This off-host lifestyle applies to reproduction. Eggs are laid in the safety of their harborage, never on a person. So their behavior is clear. Get on, get a meal, get out. Now see how this differs from a pest that is designed for hair. Meet the head louse, perfectly adapted for hair. It has specialized claws like tiny grappling hooks for a tight grip. Lice spend their entire life cycle on the human head. Bedbugs are just temporary visitors to the human body. Lice cement their eggs or nits directly to hair strands. Bedbug eggs would simply fall out or wash away. The comparison makes it obvious. 2 different parasites with completely different designs for 2 different habitats. But what about those exceptions? What if you actually find one crawling through your hair? To answer our earlier question, yes, a bedbug can bite your scalp or hairline. It will target any exposed skin. But finding one in your hair is almost always accidental. It likely got disoriented on its way to or from feeding. It will not stay, build a nest, or lay eggs there. Its instinct is to get out of the hair and back to a secure crevice. They also require hosts to be completely still, which is why they hunt at night. A waking, moving person is a threat. So, a bite on the scalp is possible, but residency is not. Now let's connect all the pieces. Recall their flat bodies and clumsy legs from the beginning, and their hit-and-run feeding behavior. Their anatomy is purpose-built to support their behavior. They need to be flat to hide, so they don't need climbing claws. The heat, light, and movement of a human head are hostile territory. The dark, tight seam of a mattress is home. Bedbugs don't live in hair because their bodies aren't built for it, and their behavior actively drives them away from it. So, can bedbugs live in your hair? The professional consensus is a clear no. Their survival depends on leaving you. The main takeaway is this: stop worrying about your hair. Start focusing on where they actually hide: bed frames and furniture. An infestation is not about cleanliness. It is about the presence of a food source, which is why knowing their true habitat is key. If you suspect you have bedbugs, focus inspections on their hiding spots and call a professional. Knowledge is your first defense.